Welcome to a breathtaking view of massive coal mining operations, where power, precision, and technology come together to move mountains. In today's video, we'll take you deep inside one of the most intense mining works handled by Ascon Limited, featuring the Caterpillar 352F excavator in full action. Watch as this beast of a machine works tirelessly to load huge volumes of coal into Mercedes-Benz and MAN 4-axle dump trucks, designed to carry heavy payloads with efficiency. This is not just about moving material, it's about showcasing the scale, strength, and teamwork required in modern mining. The Caterpillar 352F excavator is known worldwide for its raw power and durability. Equipped with a high-performance hydraulic system, it can dig deep into the earth, scoop up tons of coal in one swing, and transfer it smoothly into waiting trucks. With an operating weight of over 50 tons, this machine is engineered to handle the most demanding conditions found in coal mining sites. Each swing of the excavator's massive bucket tells a story of precision and engineering. The operators must maintain perfect balance between speed and safety, ensuring every load is efficiently managed without risking the trucks or the equipment. The 352F is also designed for fuel efficiency, reducing costs while maintaining peak productivity, a vital factor in large-scale mining projects. The coal is then loaded into Mercedes-Benz Arocs and MAN TGS 4-axle dump trucks, both renowned for their heavy-duty design and unmatched reliability. These trucks are capable of carrying extremely heavy loads over rough and uneven mining terrain, ensuring that coal is transported from the excavation site to processing areas with minimum downtime. Coal remains one of the most important natural resources in the global energy sector. Operations like this are essential in meeting industrial energy demands, powering factories, and supporting electricity generation in many regions. Behind the scenes, there is a network of skilled operators, engineers, and safety teams making sure every part of the process runs smoothly and without interruption. This type of mining work also demonstrates the human-machine partnership, where modern technology amplifies human expertise to achieve results that were impossible just decades ago. Watching these machines in synchronized operation is like watching a carefully choreographed performance, where every move is calculated and every action contributes to the success of the project. What you've just witnessed is more than heavy machinery at work. It's a symbol of human progress, engineering excellence, and teamwork. The Caterpillar 352F excavator and the Mercedes and MAN 4-axle dump trucks of Ascon Limited highlight how modern mining operations are pushing boundaries to meet the world's growing energy needs. If you enjoyed this deep dive into coal mining, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful machine action and behind-the-scenes looks at mega projects across the globe. Stay tuned, because the world of mining never stops, and there's always more incredible footage to come. Welcome to a world of massive coal mining operations, In today's video, we'll take you on a journey deep underground, where the Caterpillar 385C Excavator is working tirelessly at an incredible depth of 60 meters. Operated by Interkat SA, this heavy machine shows us the true power of engineering when it comes to extracting coal from the earth. This is not just digging, it's a blend of power, precision, and endurance captured in real time.